Karaig, ma'am. I'm working here in Hong Kong for almost 2.5 years for one employer, ma'am, and I'm taking care two children, one 12 years old and the other one is 10 years old. And then I'm, ma'am, hello, ma'am. I'm doing household chores, ma'am, like ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, cooking, and then taking care of the children, go to school and pick up them, and then send them to school. And then I'm, hello, ma'am. And then I'm doing household chores, ma'am. My employer let me to manage the house properly, and then they also treat me like a family, and they are good. And then